The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once declared in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari number 3662 that the most beloved person to him was his wife, the mother of the believers, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her. This one narration is enough proof of the noble and wise character of Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, as there is no possibility that the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, would love someone who did not possess sublime character. She was the daughter of the first rightly guided Khalifa of Islam, Abu Bakr Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him. Having such pious parents undoubtedly provided her with a firm foundation. All Muslim parents should take note of this. Characters of children are impacted by the environment in which they are brought up in, so parents should ensure they provide the most optimal environment for their children. This environment is established by parents, practically demonstrating sound Islamic values on a daily basis. The marriage of the mother of the believers, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, with the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is a template for people of all times. Their relationship was built on respect and her desire to learn from the best of all creation. There are many occasions during their time together from which one can take lessons from. On one occasion, which is recorded in Sahih Bukhari number 5228, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, was upset with the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, and he diffused the tension by telling her how he could tell when she was upset with him. She would swear by the Lord of Ibrahim, peace be upon him, when she was upset with the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and swear by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, when she was pleased with him. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, replied that she would never leave anything out but his name when she was angered. This meant her feelings for him and obedience to his commands was never affected by her mood. This incident provides a lesson for a husband on how to demonstrate attention to small details and the positive impact this has on his spouse. Likewise, lessons for a wife include how to express anger or displeasure in a responsible and loving manner. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, raced Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, on two occasions according to a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud number 2578. The first race she won and the second the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, won. These incidents demonstrate that occasionally taking part in trivial pursuits can be a strong expression of love within a married couple. But it is important to note that if the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, did something often, Muslims too should follow in his footsteps and do it often. Similarly, if something was done occasionally, it should be done occasionally by Muslims. Overstepping the bounds is a clear indication a person is following their own desires, not the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, proved that house chores are gender neutral, as he often helped Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, with the chores of the house. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari number 5363. This helps to create a balanced, pleasant home, which is based on sharing and working together effectively. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, spent her entire married life living with the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, in a single small room which was connected to the mosque. The fact that such a personality lived in simple conditions is a lesson for all those who seek grand living conditions and often venture into forbidden areas in order to achieve these goals. It is also well known that the family of the Holy Prophet, may Allah be pleased with them, did not consume food in abundance due to lack of availability, and they chose to feed others over themselves. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari number 2567. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, demonstrated a superior level of contentment with what had been given to her by Allah the Exalted. She also demonstrated that married couples can lead happy lives with limited resources. This is an important lesson for those married Muslims who believe contentment lies in much wealth and unnecessary leisurely activities. The mother of the believers, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, was relatively young but demonstrated a maturity which was unmatched. On one occasion, the hypocrites spread vicious slander about her character. In the face of such a difficult situation, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, turned to Allah, the Exalted, through patience and sincere obedience. In response, Allah the Exalted revealed 10 verses, completely dispelling all false notions spread by the hypocrites. This incident is recorded in Sahih Bukhari, number 4141. This entire episode delivers hope and proof for those in unimaginable difficulties, who patiently wait for deliverance from Allah the Exalted. For the remainder of her life, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, worked tirelessly for the betterment of the Muslims. This is evident from the sheer number of narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, narrated by her. She was often questioned by the companions and their successors on religious and worldly matters. This high level of respect can only be achieved by continuous efforts to better one's character. This also indicates the importance of women striving to be active members of the community in order to benefit the society, whether this is related to education or business. If Islam did not encourage this, then Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, would never have become a highly well-known and respected scholar. So all women should fulfill their potential through education and better their lives and the lives of others, thereby following in the footsteps of Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her. She was known throughout her life for her extreme generosity. On one occasion, which is recorded in Imam Malik's Muwatta, Book 58, Narration 6, she gifted a beggar 1 grape as she possessed nothing at all except a few grapes at that time. She told her companions that the Holy Quran advises that Allah, the Exalted, compensates his slaves for every atom of good. This shows the elevated level of her understanding and firmness of her belief and conviction in Islam. We should all strive not only to be generous from what we possess, but also have the conviction that helping others is better than hoarding. She also highlighted the fact that no sincere good action is considered small in the sight of Allah the Exalted. Muslims should therefore not belittle such acts by falling under the influence of the devil. Muslims should strive to achieve piety by gaining and acting on the knowledge found in the Holy Quran, the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and by studying their practical application through the biographies of the righteous predecessors such as Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.